two ways to log into the Allthenticate admin portal. The first of which, you'll need the Allthenticate software downloaded on your computer, which you can find the link there. Now what we're going to do is make sure that the software is downloaded. Up here it shows that it's green and connected to our phone and ready to go. We'll go back and refresh the page here. And since the software is communicating with the Allthenticate app on our phone, it automatically logs us into the admin portal. Now the second way that we can log in if we don't have Bluetooth enabled is by typing in our username and approving it through the app. Now I'll go ahead and type in my username here, and I'll get a notification through the app to confirm the login. Now I'll go ahead and confirm it right here and use my Face ID. Now I'm logged into the Allthenticate admin portal.